What's up guys, BetterSize here on my challenge wallet, and today I just want to show you how I scam coins to find bangers like this one. As you can see, 200k average entry. I found this coin originally when it was migrating on PumpFun, and how you do it, you go to Pump Vision, you check new creations, about to graduated, and I found that coin when it was graduating, so I just bought after graduation, and it pumped, sold a bit, it died, but then on the next day I saw that it's still alive and that it's posting and the account on Twitter is still active, so I re-entered around 200k, and as you can see, clean 3x right now, sent pretty hard. In my Telegram I also gave that to the guys, so people ate, and on my Twitter I posted it too, so join my free Telegram, link in bio, follow my Twitter, and yeah, also you can look for mid caps if you're not into pump funds as much. You go to explore section, and these are the filters I use: 1 million market cap, 15k volume, 1 hour, and yeah, you can see more established coins with like 1 million of market cap or a little more if you're looking for mid-term plays. But for finding more risky pump funds, pump vision, and here it's hard to pick a banger from like all the new ones, but about to graduate is a little easier, or graduated. So I recommend watching these two sections. And yeah, more videos coming, so sub if you wanna make it this cycle, if you wanna print with me. Yeah, let's go. Better sizes out.